Hello guys, this iPhone 13 is completely broken. We got from the customer. Let's see and restore this one. You can see the font, everything is broken here. So this kind of display. See camera, GPS, the Wi-Fi port, the camera here, battery. Let's disconnect everything. So you can see every parts here. Parts is not broken because now it is sense this. This is faster. Replace everything here. Set on the appropriate position. Screw it. The battery I didn't change it. The original battery. Change the display only, but display is original. Yes, it's working properly. Here you can see it completely like new.